I will be working on an iPhone 7 which is keep restarting. So look here. So it restarts. So we put a new battery, but still it's restarting. And the next thing I would like to check if the Tristar and the VCC main is okay. So we will check with ICC Pro. Let's see what we got. So we have got dock flex test is okay. It's doing now IC test, which is Tristar. That's okay. Tristar and Hydra okay, and VCC main is okay. So at least by using this sort of gadget, you at least have an idea there's nothing wrong with, because restarting can also be caused by a Tristar. So Tristar is okay, VCC main is okay, but still it's restarting. The next I would like to check with the DC power supply, because it's important to know what readings we got here. Okay, so let's start. Oh, let's start again, because it started and stopped again. And I'm holding the power button. So it starts, it should draw at least 800 milliamp. For a successful boot. But see, it's gone up to 300 milliamp and then it's dropped to 0 amp, and now it's restarting. So it's like keep restarting, and it should draw at least to 800 milliamp, 900 milliamp, or maybe close to 1 amp, but it's here. Okay. So the next thing is we will remove the logic board, and first of all do a physical inspection. They should make a user that at least lasts for 2-3 months. Every now and then we have to replace these tweezers. All good. Is it liquid damage? It's a little bit red. Just letting you know, the restarting problem can also happen because of R4710, which is R4710 here, this one. And this is, as far as I remember, this is a 2K resistor and it's on 1.8 line. So anyway, we will just check the resistance here at the moment. Okay. I will start the multimeter. Can you see it? Multimeter? No, so I will start it now. Where is multimeter? Oh, it's not there yet. Okay. So it's there now. So this is a 2K resistor. This is also one of the reason could. Yeah, that is okay. So we will check if that should be okay. That's 1.8 line. Right. Here everything looks okay. Let's look at the other side. And this restarting could be because of partial short. Or any volt leakage. Okay, board looks clean. Now before anything else, the first thing I would like to check 1.8 and 0.9 volt line for NAND flash. So turn it on. Yep, it's turning on now. So okay. So the next thing you might be checking in iPhone 7 restarting is, oh yeah, oh come on man, can you see there? Okay, multimeter is not stopped working. This is, if you don't touch it, I will start it again and you should see it now. Yeah. Okay, so this is 0.9 volt line, which is all good. So these are like sort of test points for restarting. This is 1.8 line. So the Next most common restarting problem is pp underscore gpu underscore var. I will show you here. Where is it? This L1811, the most common one which fails is as far as I remember L1810. So this is the one I will be replacing. If this does not solve the problem, unfortunately I have to replace all these, and which is L1811, 1822 and 1833. Anyway, so we will be replacing this one first. This is the most common one for me which fails. So let's take it out. So we will remove the shade. Now if just replacing the first one did not work out, then we will replace these next three as well. We have to be careful with the air pressure and the temperature, because this is close to the processor. Any excessive heat okay, I'm just making sure its board is not moving.
So I prep for that thing now.
This sort of glue removing, I have seen if you do this in frustration or you are in a hurry, you usually muck around the things. So you have to be very patient in electronics repair and try working on the logics, not your assumptions. So here I have to make sure I don't damage any component around.
It was like 200 something to get the camera done.
So I will get another type of plunger or tool.
What's that?
So this is little bit more thinner. Okay, I think that is good. Now the next thing is I will heat it a little bit on higher temperature, and just this is how I do it. I might be wrong, but I will show you. So I'm down with the higher heat. I don't want to go on the processor, so I will heat it from here, and just I'm trying to get in. See how easily it has come out. And the next thing is we will clean it. So here I don't care how much time I have to do. It feels like a lot of time, but honestly, if you do it, not in a hurry, it doesn't take more time. Because I have seen people, they some of the students, they complain, no, whenever they try to do this, the processor got shorted. But just be very careful. Sorry, I forgot to record this part. It's just that I put some low melt solder, see, here and here. Now I'm gonna get I will see if I've got the new one, otherwise I will remove it from a donor board. So that's good, that saves my time. I have got new ones here. And now the next thing is solder is back safely. Okay. Now remember, don't heat. I don't think that is the area where you should be heating it from the top. See? So make sure processor doesn't get any heat, or as much less heat as possible. Oh, come on, come on. No. Don't be a bad boy. Here. Now I have to hold it, even though it's on low blow, but still. The reason behind why it blown away, because I'm heating it from the side, not from the top, and now I can see it's just settled down nice and easy. All done. Just remove this excess from here. I don't want this to touch any ground part. All done. So give it 5 minutes to cool down, and then we will see how it goes. If not, we will replace the rest of these 1802, 03 and 04. Okay, now let's put the LCD. And let's turn it on. Yeah, I can see now on the amp meter it will turn on now, because before it was not going beyond 0.60 milliamp. Now it's gone up to 1 amp, so it will turn on. Where should I show you? My amp meter is here. See, it turns on. All good. So that's guys, that was all for iPhone 7 restarting problem. You know what you have to check. There's not even one particular problem that can make your iPhone 7 or any phone go on restarting. You have to check different things. So thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.